Russian officials report downing of 7 Ukrainian drones near Moscow. Russian officials claim to have shot down 7 Ukrainian drones in the Kaluga region, southwest of Moscow, according to a statement from the Defense Ministry on Thursday. The ministry termed this as an attempt by the Kyiv regime to conduct a terrorist attack, which was thwarted. Vladislav Shapsha, the governor of the Kaluga region, confirmed that the drones were detected and downed by their air defense system. Both the ministry and Shapsha asserted that there were no casualties or damage to infrastructure. These claims come amidst heightened drone warfare, and earlier this week, Ukraine reportedly launched 3 drones towards Moscow. Kyiv repels aerial attack, destroys over 20 Russian drones. The Ukrainian Air Force reported the destruction of more than 20 Russian drones during a 3-hour air raid alert in and around Kyiv overnight on Thursday. According to the Kyiv City Military Administration, this was the 8th consecutive day that Russia launched Iran-made Shade drones at the capital. Despite the intensity of the aerial confrontation, no casualties or significant infrastructural damage were reported. Russian shelling leads to civilian casualties and injuries in southern Ukraine. Artillery fire and airstrikes from Russia resulted in civilian casualties in southern Ukraine, officials reported Thursday. The attacks targeted over 20 settlements in the Zaporizhzhia region, leading to the death of a 58-year-old woman in the town of Preobrazhenka. In the city of Kherson, a Russian artillery attack injured a 74-year-old man and 3 passengers on a trolleybus near St. Catherine's Cathedral, as per Alexander Prokudin, head of the Kherson Regional Military Administration. Additionally, a subsequent strike injured 4 firefighters responding to the initial attack, according to the State Emergency Service of Ukraine. These incidents continue to raise concerns about civilian safety amidst the ongoing conflict.